After that it has been declared as a sanctuary, and sanctuary जातकच आमच्या लोकांक जे त्रास जाल्या ते nobody else living in a city with all the comforts of the city will understand. तांकां थंय येवन पळोवचें पडटलें आमच्या लोकांक कशे त्रास जाल्या ते जनरेशन्स थंय रावल्या थंय, आनी आतां तुमी येतात पयलीं सँक्च्युरी करून उडयली, आतां म्हणटात टायगर रिजर्व जाय कितें. बट यू हॅव टू थिंक कितले लोक अफेक्ट जातले. टायगर जाय पण थंय टायगर कितले येतात, कितले आसात, हो सर्वे कोणे केला? When we have gone to different tiger reserves all over the world, all over India, and we have seen, आमकां तर एक टायगर तर एक दीस दिश्टी पडना जाल्यार you just go back so dejected. आमी 10 दीस रावता and sometimes you don't see a tiger in a area where there are hundreds and hundreds of tigers. आनी ही जी एरिया आसा हांगा it is just आमी corridor म्हणटाय because that tiger is just moving from that one area going down to Karnataka or whatever. So it is just a corridor for the tiger. And you are saying it has to be made into a tiger reserve. कित्याक आमचे लोकांक पळय जे अफेक्ट जातले, कित्याक ते लोक इतले वर्सां थंय राविल्ले आसा. हू इज आनी लोक आतां कमेंट करता पेपराचेर सांगतात की थंय 4 लोक आनी 5 लोक आसा म्हणून. हाव इज इट पॉसिबल? इफ इट इज अ सँक्च्युरी, दे हॅव बीन लिव्हिंग देर आर thousands of people, hundreds of families who will have to be rehabilitated. There's हजारांनी लोकांक where are you going to rehabilitate? And it is not only Madai. Lokank dista it is fakta Madai. The order aside is not only Madai. It is Madai and surrounding areas. So it's right from Madai to Amso National Park, Kole, Mole, to Netulle, to Kotigaon. So itle yedo vallo corridor, it's going to affect thousands and thousands of families. So I request the Forest Minister to please take strict action, take some decision about this, because that is going to help all our people, because I know there are different views, and lokank dista, thode lokank dista tiger reserve जावचो, पण I just want to ask, कोणे वो सर्वे केला आणि सांगला की हांगा इतले टायगर अमक्या दिसा दिश्टी पडटा म्हणून. 1-2 वर्सांनी 1-2 टायगर दिसता. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट यू वॉन्ट टू मेक इट अ टायगर रिजर्व? इज देर अ टायगर सायटींग एवरी डे? टुमॉरो फाल्यां तर थंय लोक गेले जाल्यार थंय टायगर रोज दिसता. एकदां केन्ना केन्ना टायगर रिजर्व दिसता, टायगर थंय दिश्टी पडटा. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट यू मेक इट अ टायगर रिजर्व. सो आय जस्ट, बिकॉज आय एम totally against it, and hopefully I have many of my colleagues, I'm sure, who will have a similar opinion ki you have to think 10 times. We have to rethink about the order, and our government is going to take the right decision, I'm sure, for the benefit of our people, and help the thousands of people that are going to be affected in Goa. It's not only Sattari, it is Sattari, Kankon, Sange, Dharbandora, sagle areas हजारांनी लोकांक अफेक्ट जातली हे एक डिसिजन. कित्याक हांगा पयलीं म्हणटा ते कोणेच पळोवना की बाबा तूं कोणे सर्वे केला आनी पळयला की अमक्या दिसा अमको टायगर आसा म्हणून. सद्दां टायगर दिश्टी पडटा इज अनदर थिंग. तूं 2 वर्सांनी 3 वर्सांनी 1-2 टायगर हांगा थंय दिश्टी पडटा म्हणून यू से यू मेक इट इनटू अ टायगर रिजर्व. I don't think this is acceptable to any one of us whose constituencies are in these areas. I just want to request the Honorable Minister to look into all these demands of women and child and forest. Thank you, Speaker, sir.